Taking the bus is convenient and lets you arrive relaxed. A breakdown unexpected by the driver and headquarters results in delays and cancellations. The passengers and those waiting at bus stops are no longer in a good mood. Fortunately, this doesn't have to be the case. MOBILEvhm lets the bus dispatcher keep an eye on the fleet at all times. The dispatcher is immediately able to get an overview of the situation. Problems with the vehicle are reported early on to the bus and to headquarters, and give the driver relevant support. Sometimes the problem is not critical, but sometimes a replacement bus needs to be dispatched immediately. An orderly exchange is better than a stranded vehicle. Use MOBILEvhm for comprehensive monitoring during ongoing operations. Key figures are identified by monitoring the vehicle. This enables the status of the vehicle to be assessed systematically. The dispatcher can compare vehicles from different manufacturers in the fleet and plan maintenance checks more efficiently. Unexpected breakdowns can be avoided, which improves the availability of vehicles. As a result, your entire fleet is more effective and customer-friendly. You improve your service quality and save costs. We look forward to hearing from you. MOBILEvhm, to keep all your vehicle data under control.